The 2025 Toyota Fortuner continues to build on its reputation as a rugged yet sophisticated SUV, offering an excellent blend of power, comfort, and modern technology. With its bold new design, the latest model brings a refreshed front grille, sleek LED headlights, and redesigned bumpers, giving it a more aggressive and contemporary look. The muscular stance is further enhanced by larger alloy wheels and updated taillights, ensuring that it stands out on the road. Under the hood, the Fortuner comes with multiple engine options depending on the market. The most popular choice remains the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, which has been refined to deliver improved performance and fuel efficiency. Producing around 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque, this engine ensures a powerful yet smooth driving experience, making it ideal for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Toyota has also fine-tuned the suspension to enhance ride comfort, while the four-wheel drive system continues to provide exceptional traction in challenging terrains. Inside, the 2025 Fortuner offers a premium and tech-savvy cabin designed for both drivers and passengers. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and improved seat cushioning make long journeys more comfortable. The new model comes with an upgraded infotainment system featuring a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. Toyota has also introduced a fully digital instrument cluster, providing real-time vehicle data and customizable display options. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the latest Fortuner is equipped with the brand's Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The inclusion of a 360-degree camera and parking sensors further enhances convenience and security, making maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. In terms of practicality, the Fortuner remains one of the most versatile SUVs in its class. With a spacious three-row seating layout, it accommodates up to 7 passengers comfortably. The rear seats can be folded down to create a large cargo space, making it suitable for family road trips or carrying bulky loads. Additionally, multiple storage compartments, USB charging ports, and climate control vents for all rows add to the overall convenience. As Toyota continues to refine and innovate, the 2025 Fortuner stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to reliability, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Whether for daily commuting, off-road exploration, or family travel, this SUV remains a top choice for those seeking a balance of performance, luxury, and practicality.